How to change lock screen clock on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can change lock screen clock on Android. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is to go to your settings. Yes, to your system settings. Once you're here, you want to scroll down and look for the lock screen tab or the lock screen option. You can click this. Then scroll down again until you see the lock screen clock format. You can click this again. And there you go. As you can see right here, I have few options. Lock screen layout. This one, there you go. I have 4 of these. So of course you can choose it to whatever you like. Example, I'm gonna set it like this, and then once you're done, you can go back, and then there you go. And that's how to change lock screen clock on Android. I hope the video was really helpful, and it did help you. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.